In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on transition on Spotify on your desktop device. So the transition or the crossfade is a nice feature on Spotify. If you don't want to have that interrupted pause between songs, you can turn on the crossfade. Now, how you do it on a desktop, now this is going to work on PC, on Mac, whatever desktop device you're on. I happen to be on a MacBook Pro. So in order to do this, come to open up your Spotify app. Then you'll notice your username at the top right hand corner with a little drop down arrow. You want to click on the drop down arrow. Once you've clicked on that, click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, you just want to scroll down, and here it's going to say crossfade underneath playback. So there you can see it. It says crossfade songs. What you want to do is you want to toggle that on, and then you'll have a little bar. You can move it all the way up to 12 seconds. So it's going to crossfade for 12 seconds before the next song plays. Or you want to do a little bit shorter, you can. So I'll leave it on like 3 seconds. And then that's pretty much all you need to do. It's now all set up and these songs will crossfade. I can't show you an example for copyright reasons, but now it's all set up. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.